An average day for 10-year-old Ali Nafe consists of gathering maize from the field and preparing meals for her family. Ali Nafe and her family, along with 16 million Malawians, rely on maize, the country's staple food and crop, to provide daily sustenance. In the 2014 to 2015 maize harvesting season, erratic weather conditions devastated the country's agriculture yield, resulting in a record decline of a staggering 1 million metric tons less maize from the previous season. This will lead to severe hunger and growing fears of another famine. Malawi's finance minister, Godal Gondwe, has said, if we don't import maize, millions of our people will suffer. Please join Good Neighbors in providing aid to the people of Malawi. Your donation will go directly to the purchase of imported maize so that people like Ali Nafe won't suffer from hunger this season.